Welcome back to our channel, Digital Product Wizard. Today, we are excited to dive into the world of web hosting and share our top 3 picks for the best web hosting providers for beginners. Whether you're starting a personal blog, an online store, or a small business website, choosing the right web hosting provider is crucial for your online success. So, let's get started. Number 1 is Bluehost. Bluehost is a renowned web hosting provider that offers an excellent range of services tailored specifically for beginners. With its user-friendly interface, reliable performance, and exceptional customer support, Bluehost is the top choice for individuals and small businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. In this review, we will delve into the key features, pricing plans, and overall performance of Bluehost. User-friendly interface. Bluehost boasts a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate and manage their websites efficiently. One-click WordPress installation. Bluehost offers seamless integration with WordPress, enabling users to set up a WordPress website with just a single click. Domain registration. Bluehost allows you to register a domain name directly through their platform, eliminating the need for third-party domain registrars. Email accounts. With Bluehost, you can create professional email accounts using your domain name, enhancing your brand identity. SSL security. Bluehost provides free SSL certificates, ensuring the security and encryption of data transmitted between your website and visitors. Scalability. As your website grows, Bluehost offers various upgrade options, allowing you to easily scale your hosting plan to accommodate increased traffic and resource demands. Server uptime. Bluehost boasts an impressive uptime guarantee of 99.9%, ensuring that your website remains accessible to visitors around the clock. Fast loading speeds. Bluehost employs cutting-edge technologies and robust server infrastructure to deliver exceptional loading speeds, enhancing user experience and search engine rankings. Enhanced security. Bluehost employs proactive security measures to protect your website from potential threats, including malware scanning, automated backups, and spam filtering. Resource protection. Bluehost utilizes resource isolation technology, preventing websites hosted on the same server from impacting each other's performance. Shared hosting. Bluehost shared hosting plans start at $2.95 per month, offering affordability and value for beginners. The basic plan includes hosting for one website, 50 GB SSD storage, and unmetered bandwidth. VPS hosting. Bluehost provides virtual private server VPS hosting for more resource-intensive websites. VPS plans start at $29.99 per month, offering increased performance, dedicated resources, and improved scalability. Dedicated hosting. Bluehost dedicated hosting plans, starting at $109.97 per month, provide the highest level of performance and customization. With dedicated hosting, you have an entire server dedicated solely to your website, ensuring optimal performance and control. Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, phone, and email. Their support team comprises knowledgeable professionals who are readily available to assist with any hosting-related queries or technical issues. Bluehost provides a comprehensive knowledge base and tutorial resources, including step-by-step guides, video tutorials, and a user forum to help beginners navigate the hosting process seamlessly. HostGator is another top choice for WordPress hosting. Their pro hosting for WordPress includes everything you need to be a web pro, with a free domain, free SSL, and one-click WordPress installs. They have different plans to cater to various requirements. The Hatchling plan is now 65% off and offers hosting for a single website, 10 GB disk space, unmetered bandwidth, one-click WordPress installs, and email included. The introductory offer for this plan is $2.75 per month. The baby plan is recommended and is currently 73% off. It allows hosting for up to 5 websites, 40 GB disk space, unmetered bandwidth, one-click WordPress installs, email included, phone and chat support, a free domain for the first year, $500 Google Ad Spend Match credit, and $100 Microsoft Advertising credit. The introductory offer for this plan is $3.50 per month. The e-commerce plan is now 69% off and offers hosting for unlimited websites, unlimited disk space, unmetered bandwidth, one-click WordPress installs, email included, phone and chat support, a free domain for the first year, $500 Google Ad Spend Match credit, $100 Microsoft Advertising credit, Cloudflare CDN, dedicated IP address, positive SSL upgrade, SEO tools, professional website migration services, and more. The special business price for this plan is $5.25 per month. HostGator includes several free features with their hosting, such as unmetered bandwidth, domain registration, SSL certificate, one-click installs, and unmetered storage. They guarantee customer satisfaction with a 30-day refund policy and provide 24/7/365 support, ensuring your website stays up with a 99.9% uptime guarantee. HostGator is the third best option for web hosting, with up to 75% off web hosting, built for speed, free domain, and 24/7 customer support. HostGator has excellent reviews, with 15,551 Trustpilot reviews by excellent and a Google rating of 4.8/5 by 1,237 reviews. Choose your pricing web hosting plan, starting with a single web hosting ideal solution for beginners at $2.99 per month. The premium web hosting perfect package for personal websites at $2.99 per month. Or the business web hosting optimized for small, medium businesses at $3.99 per month, and the business web hosting optimized for e-commerce and business at $9.99. HostGator offers server locations in the USA, United Kingdom, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and the Netherlands. With HostGator, you get 24/7 live support from a team of experts to help you with all topics related to your domain and hosting package. HostGator utilizes advanced technologies, including self-healing infrastructure, full SSD servers, and unlimited bandwidth to provide a fast browsing experience for your visitors. HostGator offers more than just web hosting. They also provide cloud hosting for large-scale projects, VPS hosting for building projects your way, WordPress hosting for personal websites, domains to find your unique domain, and email hosting for your projects. HostGator is dedicated to meeting all your hosting needs. And there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best web hosting providers for beginners: Bluehost, HostGator, and HostGator. Each of these providers offers unique features and benefits to suit different needs and budgets. We hope this review has helped you make an informed decision. Remember, choosing the right web hosting provider is the foundation for your online journey. Stay tuned for more reviews and tips on Digital Product Wizard. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.